Welcome back, children. And now we are going to see the heat energy. Okay, the heat energy. When the temperature of a substance is raised, its atoms and molecules begin to vibrate and release a kind of energy. This energy is known as heat energy or thermal energy. This energy flows from a hot substance to the cold substance. If we put some ice cubes into a water in a glass, water becomes cold. It is because heat is transferred from water to ice. Yes, children, we are going to see about this heat energy, isn't it? What is heat energy, ma? Yes, we feel it is hot, isn't it? Yes, while we heat a object, the atoms and molecules begin to vibrate and release some kind of energy. Okay, and that energy is called as heat energy or thermal energy. So underline these words, this sentence, ma, these lines. Okay, this. Okay, children, now listen. When we put a ice cube in a water of glass or glass la we will have some water in it. Okay, and we place the ice cubes inside it. உள்ள போட்டது என்ன ஆகும் கொஞ்ச நேரத்துல? Yes, the water becomes cold. How it happens, ma? Yes, the water will be in the room temperature. Okay, while we add the ice cubes, okay, it is very hot, it's very cold. Okay, and what will happen is the water will be changed into cold. Okay, it is transferred from water to ice. Okay, children. Yes, நம்ம தண்ணி ரொம்ப ஜில்லுன்னு இருந்தாலும் நம்மளால குடிக்க முடியாது இல்லையா? So in the summer days what we will do? Yes, we will take some water in the glass and we will add some ice cubes to it. While we adding the ice cubes, we can't eat the ice cubes also. It is very cold. It's too cold. So we can't eat that one. So what we will do? We will add some ice cubes to the normal water. And what will happen to the water? Yes, நம்மளுக்கு தேவையான கூலிங்ல it will transfer. Okay, that is called the heat energy. Okay, ma? Yes. Now here is some activities for you. Activity 3. Rub your hands together. What do you feel in your hands? Do you feel heat generated by friction? Yes, while we rub, நம்ம கை ரெண்டையும் நம்ம தேய்க்கும் போது என்ன ஆகும்? நம்ம கையில சூடு வரும் இல்லையா? Yes, that is because of the frictions, உராய்வு தன்மையினால ஏற்படுற அந்த heat energy அது. ஓகேமா? And then now take a small amount of lime powder in a glass. Add some water and stir well. Touch the glass outside. How do you feel? Yes, it will also feel a heat. Okay, feel as heat. In both the cases, you can feel the heat. Yes, while we rubbing our hands, we can feel the heat energy, and also while mixing the lime powder with the water, we will feel some heat. How this happens? Come, let's see. Okay, thus heat is produced by friction and also by chemical reactions. Okay, ma? Yes, underline this. Heat is produced by friction and chemical reactions. This is நம்ம கையை ரப் பண்ணும்போது due to the friction, உராய்வு தன்மையினால. Okay, ma? And while we stirring the glass of water with lime powder, it is because of the chemical reactions. Okay, and the chemical reaction நாலையும் heat ஆகும், then by friction நாலையும் heat ஆகும். Okay, sun is the primary source of heat energy. Listen carefully. Sun is the primary source of heat energy. Sun da first ஒரு heat energy கான source. Okay, then uses of heat energy. Heat energy obtained from power station is used to generate electricity. Heat energy obtained from the power stations. Power stations la irundhu enna agudhu, and the heat energy is generated as electricity. Then For example, this one is the solar light. Okay ma, அது என்னவாகுது, லைட் எனர்ஜியா நமக்கு கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணுது. இல்லைன்னா solar stove. Okay ma, we can use this heat energy is converted into electrical energy. Okay, solar சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, for examples, these are the things. Then heat energy obtained from petrol and diesel is used to run vehicles. Yes, heat energy நம்ம பெட்ரோல் டீசல் என்ன ஆகுது, அது ஹீட் ஆனதுனால தான் நம்ம வெஹிக்கல்ஸ் வந்து மூவ் ஆக ஆரம்பிக்குது. We cook food with the help of heat. Heat energy renders the food material soft and easy to digest. Yes, while we cook the food, for example, we like to eat chicken, isn't it? The chicken will be hard, the bones will be hard. While we cook the food, what will happen? It will be very soft, isn't it? And the flesh எல்லாம் எப்படி ஆயிடும், நல்லா soft ஆயிடும். So it is easy to digest also. So heat energy is used there, okay, in our cookings. Then hard substance like iron and are heated to mold them into different shapes. Yes, we know that, isn't it ma? For example, to make an axe செய்யறதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, they will heat the iron in a very hot temperature, ரொம்ப high temperature க்கு it will be heated and then it will be molded. Okay, பட்டறைகள் சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, yes, இரும்பு பட்டறை, அந்த இதுல தான் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, அந்த what may be அந்த கோடாரி அருவாள் இதெல்லாமே என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, நல்லா ஹீட் பண்ணிட்டு தான் அதை தட்டி they will mold it into different shapes and objects. Okay, then heat is used to dry cloths and other wet substances. Yes, நம்ம ட்ரெஸ்ஸை என்ன பண்ணுவோம், வேகமாக காய போடணும்னா என்ன பண்ணுவோம், we'll just move to our staircase, மாடிக்கு போய் என்ன பண்ணுவோம், நம்ம டெரஸில் போய் நம்ம காய போட ஆரம்பிச்சோம். பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் ஹீட் எனர்ஜி, வெயிலில் போட்டு எடுத்தால் தான் சீக்கிரம் காயும் அப்படி சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா மம்மி. ஸோ ஹீட் எனர்ஜி இஸ் யூஸ்டு டு ட்ரை clothes and other wet substances. ஓகே, நமக்கு தெரிஞ்சது என்னதுமா, we will dry our clothes, isn't it? And then மசாலா அரைக்கிறதுக்கு அம்மா வத்தல் எல்லாமே வடகம் இதெல்லாமே காய வைப்பாங்கல்லம்மா. ஸோ in where they will dry that one, in our terrace. Heat energy காணி sun வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். Okay children, and see some pictures are given here. See, நான் சொன்னேன் இல்லையா, இரும்பு பட்டறை சொன்னேன் இல்லையா, they are molding the iron cubes to this நட்டா கொண்டு வராங்க. ஓகேமா, yes. Then we'll move on to light energy. Light is a form of energy which travels in the form of wave. Yes, underline, it's very very important. Heatலாம் வந்து என்ன பண்ணுவோம், we will just feel that one. And light energy also, it travels through a wave. அலைகள் மூலமா, அலை கதிர்கள் சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, கதிர்கள் அலைகள், அது மூலியமாக தான் நமக்கு travel பண்ணுது. It contains a particle called photon which are the minute packets of energy. இந்த லைட்டில் வர்றதுக்கு ஓட மைன்யூட் பேக்கெட்ஸ் எனர்ஜி என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க, photons. ஓகேம்மா, and these particles are called as photons. It is the only form of energy visible to human eye. நம்மளோட ஹியூமன் ஐக்கு தெரியக்கூடிய விசிபிளாக இருக்கக்கூடிய only particle, this one is photon. Light does not require any medium to travel. Light எந்த ஒரு மீடியமும் require பண்ணவே கிடையாது. Okay, it travels at the speed of 3 lakhs kilometer per second. Okay, just underline that. Yes, sunlight takes 8 minutes to reach the earth. Mark it star, this one, the last line, underline and mark it a star. Sunlight takes 8 minutes to reach the earth. எர்த்தை ரீச் பண்ணுறதுக்கு சன்லைட்டுக்கு எவ்வளோ நேரம் ஆகுது, only 8 minutes. Okay children, yes. Uses of light energy. We are able to see objects with the help of light energy. Yes, இருட்டில் நமக்கு என்ன தேவை, நைட் டைம்ஸ்லலாம் what we will have, We need the light to see the objects, isn't it? Yes, then. Plants use light energy to synthesis their food. Photosynthesis. With the help of the sunlight only, the plants can prepare their own food called photosynthesis. Okay. If there is no sunlight, what will happen? They won't prepare their food. So it causes a death in that plant. Okay, ma? Yes. With the help of the light energy, our skin is able to synthesis vitamin D. Light energy நால தான் நமக்கு என்ன பண்ணுது? Vitamin D கிடைக்கும். Okay, children? Yes. Electricity can be produced with the help of light energy. Light energy மூலியமா என்ன பண்ணலாம்? We will get the electricity. Yes, I told that, isn't it? The solar panels. Okay, ma? Yes. Now this is for the vitamin D. We need the vitamin D, and the sun is used for this photosynthesis, and during the night time we need the light. Okay, so what? We will have the light. Okay, children, and next this electrical energy will be in the next video. Okay, children, bye.